Welcome back to REM Prompt. My name is Rex. Today we're going to go to the beach. We're going to use Copilot to see if we can come up with beautiful pictures of a couple of students walking on the beach. So I already have a prompt written. Let's see here. I'm going to copy and paste this one. I have a brand new screen over here on my Copilot. Paste this one in here and let's see what we get. We're waiting for Copilot to render. And our last one was about the classroom. Now we're going to go to one on the beach. And we're going to have one student posing on the beach. We're going to go for a beach scene this time. Okay, here is our guy. And oh, it's still loading. There it is. Here's the prompt. A white male athletic college student with long, wavy brown hair and blue eyes wearing a tank top, standing in front of a shoreline on a large beach, posing with muscular arms folded in front of his chest. Look at that beach. Isn't that pretty cool? So that's the only prompt that I wrote. So I just wrote one prompt. I started out with just a white male college guy standing on the shoreline of a large beach. And boom, I got this. And I just added a few more things to it. And that's all there is to it. So the key thing about Copilot is you want to be as detailed as you can, but not too detailed. If you add too much detail, then Copilot is not, it's not going to render exactly what you're looking for. But look at this. So I basically started out a white male. So I wanted a guy, a male. I wanted to be white, athletic college student. So I wanted to look a little bit muscular with long wavy brown hair. So I have to have a guy with long hair. I can also have just said short hair, or I could have left it out and let Copilot decide how he looks. With blue eyes, I could have said brown eyes or green eyes. Wearing a tank top, I could have left it out, and then maybe I would have gotten the guy who was just bare chested, standing in front of a shoreline on a large beach, posing with muscular arms folded in front of his chest. There he is. So this is a good prompt. It's not too long, not too short. If you give a prompt that is too short, then basically it's up to Copilot to decide what it's going to give you. But if you add just about enough. So basically, my prompt starts out draw a picture of, that's the command, the action, draw a picture of, and you see it leaves it off when it renders the picture. White male, white male athletic college student. So that tells the AI it's got to be a man, a young man in his 20s, a college student, long wavy brown hair, and blue eyes, wearing a tank top, standing in front of a shoreline on the large beach, posing with muscular arms in front of folded in front of his chest. There he is. Okay, so then I got here the right arrow. So this gives me that I download it. I like to click on the download button because then it saves a copy of this picture as a JPEG file to my downloads folder. I'm gonna click on right. See now it gives me another one. So as you see over here, I got these four what's called thumbnails small these are smaller illustrations of the pictures that I got over here in the large form. So for each one, I click on download, which means download to my downloads folder on my computer a full size copy of this picture over here on my screen. So I got this one. It's downloading the file over here. All these files, they have really long cryptic file names. I usually end up renaming all of them, like uh, Beach Guy 001, Beach Guy 002, Beach Guy 003. Why? Because I hate these file names. I can't stand these file names. I hate these file names. They really don't. They really don't explain anything. So now I got another guy here showing a different angle of the beach. You see the sand, there's the shoreline, you see the water over here, the nice mountains in the background. Um, and here. So I'm going through all of them. I'm going to download every single one of them over here. Now, I'm going to wait for it to finish downloading. Then I'm going to show you what it is that I'm looking for. Now, here comes the nice thing that I really like about Copilot a lot. So after Copilot has rendered the four images based off this one prompt that I gave it, just one prompt, it comes up with a suggested prompt. And this is the one thing I really like about Copilot. Add some seagulls in the background, make him hold a surfboard, or change his expression to more serious. Well, he kind of looks some kind of serious to me already. So I like this first one. Add some seagulls in the background. So I'm just going to click on that. And Copilot goes, okay. Now it's going to render two, maybe three, maybe four more pictures. But in this time, the pictures are going to have this a guy standing in front with his arms folded. But now it's going to show seagulls in the background. So this time I only got three pictures. I'm going to click on these. Okay, here's the guy. He's still looking kind of serious, but now there's seagulls in the background. So okay, I'll go for that. Got this one. Now we got this one. I mean, you see hotels in the background. That almost looks like South Florida or Miami or Mexico or something. There are the seagulls. Okay. And we downloaded this one as well. And wait for it to finish. So now it comes again. And I really like this about Copilot a lot. So it says here, make the waves more prominent, add a beach ball near him, change his hairstyle to be shorter. So you could say, well, the guy has long hair. Can we make his hair shorter? I can type it in, make his hair shorter, or I could just click on this prompt over here that Copilot gave to us. I was planning on typing it in myself, but instead of me typing it in, it just suggests the prompt for me, changes hairstyle to shorter. So let's see how short it's going to make it. There he is. Okay, I'm going to click on the first one on the top left. There he is. Now he's got short hair. I still got the seagulls too. There he is. Same guy. Actually, he looks a little bit different now. Did I download that one? I'll download it again. It's not a big deal. And then we're going to go to the next one. Oh, here I got two of them. Maybe they're twins. Yeah, two of them. One behind the other. Okay. But he still looks kind of sick. I'm like, gee, wouldn't it be nice if the guy was smiling a little bit? Hmm. Okay. Let me wait for that download to finish. I'm going to come over here. So I'm going to say, make the student smile. That's all I'm saying. I'm telling the AI, okay, you're showing the student in the picture, but he looks too serious. Let's make him smile a little bit. Let's see what we get here. Okay, are we getting a smiling guy on our beach? Hey, look at that. There he is. Okay, so now let's look what it did to the prompt. A white male athletic college student with short, wavy brown hair and blue eyes wearing a tank top standing in front of the shoreline on the large beach, posing with muscular arms, folded in front of his chest with seagulls in the background, smiling. See, it changes the prompt. Look at that. Just because I just added a few words in the prompt at the bottom, I just said make him smile, and then it modifies, it adds, it appends that to the existing prompt. Here we go. Now we got another smiling guy on the beach. Now it's downloading this one. Now we got one more. Okay. Maybe there's one more thing we can do just for fun. What does it suggest? Add a beach umbrella nearby, make the water more transparent, change his eye color to green. We can say add a sand castle to the background. Maybe somebody made a sand castle in the sand where he's standing. Let's see what it gets. So you're seeing my prompts after I posted in the big prompt in Copilot. The tweaks that I'm giving to Copilot are very short. I have one big prompt which I've written ahead of time. I put that in there. And after that, I'm just clicking on the suggested prompts, which Copilot is giving me under the pictures, under the thumbnails. And then if there's anything that I want Copilot to tweak, I'm just telling it, add this, change that, do this, do that. Let's see what it did. Hey, look at that. Look at that. So here he is, our guy. He's still standing on the beach with his arms folded, and he's smiling now too. But there's a sandcastle on the beach behind him. So that's what we want. This is actually a good picture. That is actually the picture that we're looking for. Here he is. He's still smiling. This is great for like a postcard. Hey, welcome from the beach. And there's the sandcastle. This is actually a great beach shot. One more. I think the sandcastle is about to be overrun with water, but there it is. Okay, all right. So you can have a lot of fun. I mean, you could be spending hours with this. Once you learn how to write a simple prompt, you know, you tell it to draw. You start with these words: draw a picture of, and then you tell it what it is you want, then it'll display it. Now, again, you saw that I started out with this prompt over here, and it started building. A white male at a white male athletic college student with short, wavy brown hair, blah 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 blah. You might say, okay, you started out with a white guy. Can we go ahead and change him to a black guy? So I'm going to ask AI, make the student black. Let's see if I can get it to do it. So I'm going to wait for it to render. Oh, it didn't do it. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it won't. So what I can do then, I can tell it to here, draw a picture of a black college student of of an athletic male of an athletic black male ah, college student standing on the beach with his arms folded. We'll just give him that. An athletic black male college student standing on the beach with his arms folded. There you go. Short and sweet. Sometimes if it doesn't work, then just try again. Just change the prompt or add something to the prompt. There it goes. See, we got it to work. There he is. He's not smiling, but we'll take it. There he is. We don't have our sandcastle. He's smiling. There you go. There's our guy. And now I can say, um, make him smile and show a sandcastle with seagulls in the background. So now I'm just putting all the parts of the prompt in from the previous picture where I had a white guy, but now we're going to do it with a black college student. And now we're just going to make Copilot just make it work. There he is. There are the seagulls. There's the sandcastle. There he is. So sometimes you just gotta tweak it. You gotta make it work. See, there he is. And he's smiling now. There's the sandcastle. Now I got two guys in the sandcastle and the seagulls. So we got everything. We got all the pieces to the picture that we wanted. Isn't that cool? There he is. So we got one with the white guy, and we got one with the black guy. Sandcastles and seagulls and the beautiful waves of the beach. Oh, I want to go to the beach now. That's cool. Let me see here. Let's see if we can try one of these prompts. Add a beach volleyball net, change the background to sunset color. Oh, let's try that and see what we get. You can have so much fun with this. So much fun. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. There he is. He's standing off to the side. There's a big sandcastle. Seagulls. This is nice. Look at the color. Look at the color. See what else we got. This is nice. This is so nice. So don't be afraid of trying out different prompts. I'm saving all of these. These are beautiful. Okay. There you go. Isn't that cool? Okay. That's going to be great. All right, that's going to be all for this video. Please share, like, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'm going to be posting a lot more videos showing in every single video how I tackle a different topic, where I type in a different prompt and we try out different types of pictures using Microsoft Copilot. So thank you for coming. My name is Rex, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.